I'm going to spend about 6 minutes showing you 7 apartments. The first one is $250 a month. The last one's about $500 a month. They all include utilities, and we picked the last one. It's our favorite. Then I'm going to show you some clips from a volcano tour that you just absolutely have to do while you're in Antigua. And finally, I'm going to show you the most colorful holiday in Antigua. So visit that time of year, and I'll show that to you. Let's get going. This is Dan of Vagabond Awake.
From Hope Avenger.
We're coming to you from Antigua, Guatemala.
Look where we are right now in the city center of Central.
We're going apartment hunting.
Yeah.
So you can see what apartments cost. We're always telling you need to put feet on the ground. We're walking to one of the apartments we're going to see in Chung, and I saw this sign here. It's a WhatsApp number. It says apartments and studios 4 blocks from the Central Park. So we're gonna check this one out too. We'll probably end up looking at, I don't know, maybe 3, 4 before we decide. We don't want to spend too long on it. We mostly want to have fun, but you guys need to know what apartments cost, and so do we, so why not? And we'll of course give you this information we've gathered.
Okay.
Total thank you for month. Everything is included here.
But, okay.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi, electricity,
Don't have
hot water.
They have this here, Wi-Fi.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Just the phone or run the...
Oh. Okay.
Like the terrace. This is the short terrace.
Oh. So this is a kitchen for me.
Beautiful view for the 3 volcanoes.
Oh.
That's huge. The breakfast.
Oh.
The shard.
It's fresh.
It's what?
Shagara.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Un día. Ajá. 1 month, un día cleaning.
No, 1 month, 4 días.
Oh,
Ajá.
1 week cleaning.
Sí.
Oh, okay, good.
Gracias.
Good deal. Yes, good.
Estudio, ajá. Y, ¿más tarde? Sí. Una semana. Cuidado.
Okay.
Pero puedo incluir.
But how is the bed? Can?
Sí.
Can? Oh.
Sí. Ajá.
Oh, good.
This is also 2005. This not.
Must be the baños. Baños.
This is more brighter, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is 3,000. Oh, this one is 3,000 too. Still smaller.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Gracias.
It's 3,004 if you're renting for 3 months.
2004.
3,000.
We ended up picking the last apartment we show you on this short tour because that was our favorite. But we will show you cheaper apartments first so you will know the price range and quality available at the time we were in Antigua, Guatemala. If you're interested in renting any of these apartments, click the more information link in the comments below this YouTube video. That link will take you to our webpage, which has contact information to rent each of these apartments and many other. The apartments are listed on our webpage in the same order as they appear in this video. You can also identify them by the amount of the rents quoted. We're not landlords. This is just data we collected. We will not receive any commissions if you rent one of these. We won't even know. Okay, enjoy the video of the apartments. Internet 16 down and 8 up. The ping is 11. This is a really good internet connection for our purposes. Best live volcano tour in Antigua, Guatemala. When we were in Pana on Lake Atitlan, our host insisted we take the Asatenango volcano hike and live volcano tour offered by Tropicana Hostel in Antigua, Guatemala. There's a big one. Well, you can see not only the rising flume, but see on the sides of the mountain, there's you can see smoke. That's from lava that's particles that have...
Okay, so I guess that's easier to see at night, like the actual lava. Right?
Yeah. Boy, are we glad we took that advice. Seeing an active volcano so closely in safety is a life-altering experience. But just as importantly, the Tropicana guides were so good at their jobs, we're not sure we could have made it up and down that hill without their help. Chung was having trouble walking in a few spots and was sliding on the mountain. One of the guides was able to walk alongside her and catch her a few times when she was sliding. His knowledge and experience gave her the confidence to go all the way to the campsite and back down in one piece the next day. He even helped her carry her backpack when she was tired. We tipped both guides. It was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Next up, the most colorful festival in Antigua, Guatemala. Semana Santa is what Guatemalans call Easter week or Christian Holy Week. The streets surrounding the Central Park are filled with colorful sawdust carpets, and there's a free symphony that performs in the park that evening. There are also scenes from the Bible performed on the stairs or steps of prominent buildings surrounding the Central Park at various times in the day. In non-pandemic years, there are also hand-carried floats, large ones, that proceed around the Central Park in a parade ceremony. People come from all over Guatemala and the world to enjoy the festival. Check the calendar each year and come to Guatemala during the Semana Santa festival, if possible, and spend the time in Antigua. It happens during, but towards the end of the high season in Guatemala, when the weather is perfect and before the rain starts. Just a reminder, this is what one of my real replies looks like. It has shading. See the shading? And here's what a fake reply looks like. There's no shading. Be careful, don't interact with those people. They're fraudulent, I report them, but in case one slips through, I don't want you to get conned by one of these scammers. Hey, if you liked our video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Any of that would help our business. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching our video. Click the link in the notes below this video to get a copy of this content. Plus, grab a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 13 Years. While you're there, check out our catalog of retired cheap reports all over the world and our hobby income course that we just released. Thanks so much.